I've got this slight problem. I've got this model that I made of the 2001 centrifuge, and you can walk around it in Godot, but the problem with it is that the normals of the floor, I've had to fix them because they originally I subdivided them, but they were like, weren't smoothed out. So as you step from one thing to another, there'll be a slight judder. I can show you. So this all works. Hold the trigger, and then this is the template project with the sort of holodeck Star Trek kind of style thing. Here's the gravity thing. Okay, and as you see, as I step, there's these little steps which aren't terrible, but I'd really like it smooth, because the problem is after a while it gets a bit, I think you're getting like it's introducing motion sickness stuff sort of thing going on. And if I'm sending this around, as like a WebGL thing, I don't want any motion sickness stuff. So let's just quit that for a sec. What we need to do is I'm going to update the model with this new smooth thing. So just go File, Export, OBJ, go over version 2. Okay, selected, that's right. Okay, so export, version 2, re-import, and then we're going to have to delete the static, but the collision stuff, and reapply it. Let's frame it up so we can see what's going on. And we go mesh, create collision, static create. So this should be, now that the normals are fixed, because originally I thought, is it just going to take it? How's it going to take it off the geometry? But hopefully this normal business will give us a lot smoother thing. So let's save the scene. I'll go back in the headset, and hopefully that would have got rid of the little jarry. Oh, one other thing, I need to make sure it's on the collision mask thing, just so that it works. It needs to be in layer 4. Switch those off. Right. Okay. I think we're all ready to go. So if I just hit save scene. I've got a thing that I'm sort of contemplating about leaving in, because it's kind of fun, sort of, where you can, well, I'll show you. So hopefully, yeah, it's a lot smoother. Perfect. So it works. So the fun thing is you can actually walk outside and then you fall out. Oops. Yeah. Maybe I should put some walls on the thing, but that's it. I'll just stop the video.